All right, so Calculus 30, this is section 11.3, number 3K homework question. We're talking about U-substitution homework question here. This one seems a little bit tricky, but again, in U-substitution, what you want to look for is you want to see if you have a function multiplied in some way by the derivative or the partial derivative of the function. So if we have a function and part of its derivative wrapped up in the expression there, then we may have a candidate for U-substitution. So for example here, if you take a look at this down here, just right here, that's the inner function of this sort of u cubed or w cubed or whatever. This is the function. Now the derivative of this function is 3x squared minus 2, which is exactly what we see up here, right? So what I have is I have 1 over, let me just change, not black, that won't work. 1 over this function cubed, right, times the derivative dx. So that's perfect. So u is going to be x cubed minus 2x plus 1. Du is going to be 3x squared minus 2 dx. And I have 3x minus 2 dx. I have that exact thing. So I can replace this now with du. And I can replace the rest of this over here with 1 over u cubed. So let's take a look at that. So we're going to have this blue thing here is just du. This over here, 1 over u cubed, is what we have as our function. So what we've done is we've taken the derivative in terms of x and we've simplified it, rewriting it in terms of u, because we have a function u and we have its derivative as well. So that's the whole point of U-substitution, is taking a complicated integral and rewriting it, substituting part of that derivative into a more manageable integral. Or taking the function into a more manageable integral. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to integrate this. Now this is u to the negative 3, right? So I could rewrite that, u to the negative 3 du. And so what we do is we add 1 to the exponent. We do 1 over that new number. So I'm going to have 1 over negative 2 times u to the negative 2. And no integral sign there, sorry, as we integrate. Plus c. Okay, so that looks good so far. And now what you can do is you can simplify a bit by now resubstituting our u back in, because again we want the integral with respect to x when it's all said and done. So this u substitution is just helping us to deal with a simpler integral during the question, and then at the end we want to resubstitute so we have our answer in terms of x. So this is negative 1/2. And I'm going to simplify this right here as well and go times really 1 over x cubed minus 2x plus 1 squared plus c, which in turn simplifies further to negative 1 over 2 u cubed minus 2x plus 1 squared plus c. And I think that should be your solution there for that integral, and I'll just check that out real quick. So yeah, that answer is correct. And oh, except I don't know if you guys noticed this, I put a u there instead of an x, and those variables are really messy. Okay, so sorry about that. So there you go, x's now, x's. Okay, all right, there you go.